What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. And on this site, Earnably, I think it is one of the best sites as far as making money playing games and watching videos. And I'm going to show you why. So this is the homepage. It's basically the offers. And a lot of these that you see on the homepage are different games. Like you see the amount of points that you can get, over 1 million, over 4 million points. I will show you what the points equate to in a minute, but you're getting a good amount of points just for playing games. You know what I'm saying? This is, just on your phone or on the a laptop, computer, whatever the case may be. But all you'll be doing is just looking at what the description is asking you to do. So a lot of times it's reaching different levels in the game. So you click on one, you'll see what it is here. Now, I'm not really sure what this game entails, but it doesn't seem like it'll be a hard game. And you'll see the amount of points that you get for different levels that you reach. So you're getting paid to play these games, reach different levels. So, just kind of having fun with it and, making money at the same time. So that's a lot of what they have on here is games. Sometimes you can purchase things like this Mindful Advantage, things like that. If I go over here to the Explore page, they have some offers that you can take a look at as well. The offers are more so of, signing up for things that are free, maybe submitting an email, things like that. Lots of different offer walls they have on here, AdGate Media, AdSend, Time Wall, the one you can just get paid to click on ads in this one. So just take a look at that. It has some surveys you can take as well. And also there's a survey tab here, just, quick surveys. Now the videos that they have on here, if I go to this video tab, you'll see here they have a good amount of selection of videos. You see Pixel Point TV, Loot TV, Putty Bear TV. I mean, the thing is, all of these are going to get you paid just basically watching videos. And the thing about it is, you can basically just let the videos run in the background. You can just sit it and forget it. Just let the videos run. You're going to constantly get points for doing that. So you just clicking on one of these videos, just letting them run. You get paid for every video that they play or that you let play. 80 points, 80 points. Let it continue adding up, and you'll be surprised at how many points you can get just for watching videos. Like I said, they have lots of them on here, lots of different categories. You can just have fun with it, making money watching videos. All right. So you see here, I have a little bit over 8,000 points. Now, their point system is a little bit more difficult than the average site, but I'll show you what the points equate to. So really, this 8,402 points, and I think a lot of sites would equivalent to about $84. But this one, they do every 10,000 points is $1. Now, I don't understand their mindset on that, but at the same time, they're not offering you a little amount of points. Even though those videos were 80 points, that's 80 points per video. So you can really just, like I said, let those run, and they really do pile up. You'll be surprised at how fast you get to 10,000. But here they have different options: PayPal, Amazon, different gift cards, Walmart, Target, and the minimum to cash out is $1. So you see here, $1, 10,000. You can go all the way up until 100 on the PayPal cash outs. Some other ones they also got, like I said, Amazon. Again, the minimum is $1. So the cash out minimum is $1. That's very easy to achieve when you see the amount of points that you're getting. Even though the point system a little off, but you can still make good money. Just going back to show you some of the offers they have on here with these games, look, over 4 million. I mean, you're really going to be able to cash out multiple times just off one game. So playing these games, watching these videos, doing some offers, some surveys here and there, you can really make good money with this website. It is completely free to use. The link to it, sign up with this site is in the description. You can get started with it today. You can get paid to play games, get paid to watch videos. Like I said, surveys and offers pay really well. So you can really play around with it and get to your first cash out really in no time. All right. So like I said, the link is in the description. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.